Hey guys, Lauren here from IamLRose.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how people are making thousands of dollars trading indices, whether it's US30, NAS100, 𝐁30, and just basically the indices. So I just got out of a trade that I analyzed earlier today. And as you can see, I actually got out a little bit earlier. You guys will see my footage from my Instagram story. I'll post that. But this is when patience pays. And that is something that I am working on. So if I would have waited a little bit longer, it would have hit my third take profit, which was right here, this green line right here, and that would have been like some hundreds of dollars. I still hit over my goal, so I'm happy. So you have to have the mindset of, okay, I'm going to get in, I'm going to get my pips, I'm going to get my points, I'm going to make my money, and I'm going to get out. If you start counting the money that you have not made and being like, oh, okay, well, I could do this, I could do this, I can make more money, sometimes you end up losing the money that you actually made. So once you hit your goal for the day, you should be done trading. You don't want this to be like another job. You want this to be, you know, the income that you make on the side to fund your dream. But if you want to be a full-time trader, hey, cool beans. What I'm going to show you guys is how people are making thousands of dollars trading indices. All right, so we are going to go to the Titan app. We're going to go to the past results. So last week, the first day was the 9th. We have from the 10th to the 13th, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades that were called, and only one trade hit stop loss. So if you were following good risk management, you would have ended the week profitable. Okay, so let's go through these trades, right? This trade went all the way to TP5. Like at minimum, that's $175. So if you can make $175 in a day, like why wouldn't you, right? So this trade was called on NAS100, and I'm gonna go to the hour chart, and this trade was called on the 10th. So let's go back to the 10th of May. Okay, so it was kind of struggling a little bit, like okay, what is it gonna do? But you see that it is hugging this 21 moving average. I've been using the 21 moving average lately. I'm liking it so far, right? And then I also incorporated the ADX into my trading as well, and of course, you know, top-down analysis. So that's why you see these lines. But so we're going to do a sell limit right here, and I am going to put the take profit at take profit 5, which is 13567.30. So mind you, different brokers, sometimes when this app says that it hits take profit, depending on your broker, sometimes it does, and sometimes it takes maybe like a couple of extra points to hit your take profit. This was 445, so it took about a day, right? So this is some real intraday trading. The entry was 13742.9, depending on when you saw it. Okay, so you got in this trade up here, right? So it took a couple of hours, but if you would have waited and been patient, then you would have had $175. That is going to TP5. TP1 would have been 15, TP2 39, TP3 73, TP4 124, TP5 175, and that is on a 0.01 lot size. Now, remember, when you use certain brokers, a 0.01 is basically $1. So this means that every time price moves a point, you are risking $1. That's why you have to have a certain amount in your account before you can even take these trades, and that's why sometimes when you only have like $150, they don't even allow you to take these trades. So you want to make sure that you have enough money in your account. If you don't, then you need to work up to it, right? You can do it with $250, but just know if you lose one trade, as you can see, the stop loss in this trade was 50 points. So just know that if this trade had hit stop loss, your account balance would have went from $250 to $200, right? So that's why they recommend at least $500 to $1,000 when you're trading indices, okay? So we're going to do the math for a new trader. New traders, we always say start off with going to TP1, right? So that's $15 on your first trade. Okay. So if you would have done a 0.02, then you know that would have been like $30. So I'll go ahead and delete this, and then I'll do a new one so you can kind of see with a 0.02. You don't want to go over a 0.03 if you only have $1,000 in the account. So because this trade already happened, that's why I'm putting in a sell limit. All right, so if you would have put a 0.03, that would have been $526. Y'all, this is how people are making this kind of money, like just on one trade. So let's go a little bit crazy. Let's do a 0.07. All right, so with a 0.07, that means that it's going to be $7 per price movement. You would have made $1,229. This is why people are flocking to trading indices, and that's why it's so exciting, and it's like, oh my gosh, I want to make all this money and things like that. And that's why if you don't know the basics of Forex, you can lose a lot of money. So it is definitely best if you want to trade indices. I have a broker that you can use where you can use a 0.01, and it's a true 0.01, which is 10 cents per pip. But you want to make sure that you understand the basics of Forex. Remember that this is not a get rich fast kind of thing. This is a skill, and this is something that you have to learn and master. And it's not going to happen in 2 weeks. It's not going to happen in 30 days. But with apps like Titan, which is also known as WS Master, with apps like this, it makes it a lot easier for you to get into the market and earn and learn, right? So let's just break it down and say, okay, you have $1,000 in your account and you went to TP1 and you use the 0.02. 0.02 on this first trade, you would have made $30, right? All right, this was a 𝐁30 trade. Now, these points are measured differently, so let me go ahead and pull this up and calculate. Okay. Ooh, if I put this trade in, it's possible that it might hit, but hey, we're gonna do it for the video purposes. Let me change that. Okay, so new orders, sell limit on a 0.02. Okay, so this trade we would have made $36, right? So like I said, 𝐁30 is kind of different when it comes to the calculations, but as you can see, let me go to the lower time frame so you can kind of see this. All right, so you see the sell limit right there, $36, right? So we're up $36. So now we're at 66. This one was $40. All right, so now we're at 106. This one 15. Another $30. Miss J, I love her. That was 12, so that would have been $24. This one 15, so that would have been another $36. Right now you're at 196. So this one, it would have hit your stop loss at 51. So you would have been down $100. So now you're at 96. And then this one, you would have been up another $24. So depending on how you trade, if you did the minimum and just went to TP1, then you would have been up $120. So if you can make $120 extra in a week, would you do it? Now, these are the minimums. Mind you, most of these trades went to take profit 5 or 4. We already know like the power of this app. And if you are a scalper, you can definitely scalp using this app and you can just use it to the best of your ability. So I just wanted to show you guys how people are making so much money trading indices. It is because the risk is a lot more, but it moves so fast. If you are ready to join the team so you can get access to this app, everything will be listed below. So all you have to do is go to where it says join my team, click that link. It'll send you to a landing page. Watch the video because the video is going to explain the packages that we have. Send me an email after you join and we can make sure that we get you started on the right foot. If you are a new trader, I don't suggest you start with indices. That is my personal opinion, but hey, everybody is grown, right? So people are going to do what they want to do, but just know that this app works. Out of all these trades that were called last week, only one hit stop loss. So people are making money. People are making thousands and thousands of dollars a week. So it is very possible to start your account low, build your account up, and just slowly get to the point where you are, you know, making the kind of money that you want to make to fund whatever you want to fund. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this helped give you guys a better understanding of what we offer. And mind you, this app right here, it doesn't include when you hop on those live sessions that they do and when they are educating. If a trade setup occurs, then you are getting in the trade, right? So hey, y'all just see this? Like, I just got into this trade. Mind you, this trade was called last week, so this really doesn't count, but for demonstration purposes, we're in this trade right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too small. You made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. So I'm gonna take a wild guess and assume that you like free stuff. If you do, go ahead and click the link in the description for free business tips, tricks, and ideas. And if you're like me and you love everything health and beauty related, go ahead and subscribe to my beauty channel right here where I release weekly videos. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, and by the way, turn on those post notifications. Bye for now.